Hi students, welcome to the new section of our chapter. In this section, we are going to discuss the thermodynamic principle of metallurgy. We are using the thermodynamic aspect in metallurgy. As we all know, Gibbs free energy of a process at a specific temperature is given by the Gibbs-Helmholtz equation delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. Delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S, where delta H is the change in enthalpy and delta S is the change in entropy, or in other words we can say degree of disorderness, and T is the temperature. So, depending upon the value of delta G, we can predict the feasibility of the reaction. If delta G is negative, the reaction will be spontaneous. If the value of delta G is negative, the process is spontaneous. If the value of delta G is positive, or we can say greater than 0, the process is non-spontaneous. Or delta G is equal to 0, we can say that the system is in equilibrium. So, a process to be spontaneous, we know delta G value should be negative. So, how to make the delta G value negative in this case? To make the delta G value negative, we have to do certain things. First, if delta S is positive, on raising the temperature, if you are increasing the temperature, the value of T delta S also increases. The value of T delta S also increases. Then we can say T delta S become greater than delta H. So, in the equation, the delta G becomes negative. In this equation, delta G becomes negative. So, if the delta G becomes negative, we can say that the process became spontaneous. The process occurs spontaneously. In the next case, if you have two reactions, suppose if you have two reactions, and these two reactions have individually, these two reactions can have two different free energy. If we are combining their energy, free energy, we get a sum. രണ്ട് എനർജിയും കൂടി കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്കൊരു സം കിട്ടും. If the delta G, the net delta G is negative, and പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത്, ഇത് രണ്ടും കൂടി കമ്പൈൻ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നെറ്റ് ഡെൽറ്റ ജി, ആ സിസ്റ്റത്തിലെ നെറ്റ് ഡെൽറ്റ ജി നെഗറ്റീവ് ആക്കുകയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സച്ച് എ സിസ്റ്റം, സച്ച് എ പ്രോസസ് ഈസ് കോൾഡ്, ഓർ സച്ച് എ റിയാക്ഷൻ ഈസ് കോൾഡ് കപ്ലിംഗ് റിയാക്ഷൻ. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, ഒരു പ്രോസസ്സ് നോൺ സ്പോണ്ടാനിയസ് ആണ്, വിച്ച് മീൻസ് ഡെൽറ്റ ജി ഈസ് പോസിറ്റീവ്. വി ആർ കപ്ലിംഗ് ദാറ്റ് റിയാക്ഷൻ വിത്ത് അനദർ റിയാക്ഷൻ. നമ്മളൊരു വേറൊരു റിയാക്ഷനുമായിട്ട് ആ റിയാക്ഷൻ കപ്പിൾ ചെയ്യുകയാണ്, ഇൻ വിച്ച് ദ ഡെൽറ്റ ജി വാല്യൂ ഇസ് വെരി നെഗറ്റീവ്, വളരെ നെഗറ്റീവാണ്. So, the coupling the reaction, ആ റിയാക്ഷൻ കപ്പിൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് the net delta G value becomes negative. Net delta G value എന്ത് ചെയ്യും, നെഗറ്റീവ് ആവും. ഓക്കെ, അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? സോ സച്ച് കപ്ലിംഗ്, അങ്ങനെയുള്ള റിയാക്ഷൻസിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ കപ്ലിംഗ് റിയാക്ഷൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സച്ച് കപ്ലിംഗ് ക്യാൻ ബി ഈസിലി അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ് ത്രൂ എ ഗ്രാഫ്. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് Gibbs energy versus temperature diagram, or Gibbs energy versus temperature graph. Then in the next step, we are going to study delta T versus temperature diagram. So, the graphical representation of Gibbs energy versus temperature was discovered by H.J.T. Ellingham. Hence, it's known as Ellingham diagram. So, we can say the graphical representation of Gibbs energy versus temperature was discovered by a scientist known as H.J.T. Ellingham. Hence, this diagram is known as Ellingham diagram. In Ellingham diagram, the temperature is plotted against Gibbs energy. Here the graph is delta G against the temperature. So, this diagram, the Ellingham diagram, help us to predict the choice of reducing agent for the reduction of oxide. This particular diagram help us to predict the choice of reducing agent for the reduction of oxide, and also predicting the feasibility of the reaction, whether it takes place or not. also helps to predict the feasibility of the reduction of the ore. This here the reaction is the reduction of ore. So this diagram also helps in predicting the feasibility of that reaction. That means the reduction of the ore. So the simple criteria of the feasibility is that at a given temperature Gibbs energy of a reaction. At a given temperature, Gibbs energy of a reaction must be negative. Then only that reaction takes place.
If you are one of those students looking for guidance on how to master your subjects, then feel free to contact us on 916 916 8872 or 916 916 8874, and our WhatsApp number is 916 916 8878. Call now to grab this opportunity and also register your details on our website www.highscore.com. Time and tide will wait no man, so don't lose your minutes. Come on, guys, start your studies with High Score, a right path for your destination.